Well, coming back to the car, someone completely backed into my cart caddy, which I put my fishing cart on. So now I can't use it, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to weld that and bring it back to life. It is completely bent. Not happening. All right, we're headed to Brian Kurtlet's weld shop. Come on it. Oh, wrapping up. All right, cool.
How you doing?
Good, man. How you doing?
Don't tell me you're filming. All right, so we're gonna have to disassemble it first. We may even be able to salvage that. Get the aluminum heated up, it'll get a little softer, a little more workable. Propane. They're out there.
Just bent my handle.
Get a number on it.
Yeah, now we're gonna have to do some magic on it.
This vice saw is my granddad's. This whole table. I have a lot of his tools still. Like that. I'll just start welding around it, building up the edge, and just keep going and working my way in until it's filled up.
Okay, cool.
This stuff is really thin, so I'm just going to go zip, 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 and just won't keep a lot of heat on it, because when you hit it on the edge, something like that, it'll blow out fast. It'll actually make a bigger hole. So you got to be super quick and not get much heat on it. So we're going to MIG weld it.
MIG weld.
Yeah, MIG weld. And MIG is great for everything. It's fast. It doesn't do the beautiful dimes on top of dimes that people always love to see. That's a TIG weld. But MIG welder is really versatile. I can, in 10 minutes, I got to have this set up to weld steel. Right now, it's set up to weld aluminum. So, pretty cool. All right, so. See how it's starting to build up thick around the edge? So yeah. Once I get all the way around it, the edges won't blow out like they're doing right now. Then I can build up some speed and get around here. Filled, man. Look at there. The giant puncture is now filled.
Brian's the man.
So we'll I'll put on a little more aggressive grinding disc. We'll take that down, make it a little more presentable, even though
It's underneath you. Just so stoked that it works. Then you fixed it.
I would just take it off next time. Don't leave it on the car.
Yeah, next time take
Brian's
it off. Put it
saying
inside
take
the
it
car.
off your car and put it inside your car because he's seen so many get damaged.
I've had quite a few. So, I mean, if you wanted like it to be invisible, you just keep going around and keep filling it, but there's really no need.
Yeah, it's on the bottom.
When you hit it with a grinder, what you're also doing is taking material off the good metal, aluminum. You don't want to do that because it's just going to get thinner and thinner. And you can't put that down. So, yep.
We are good. It's alive. It's alive.
We're ready to go fishing now.
Let's go fishing. It works. It works. All right. Well, we made it to the beach on the maiden voyage of the Cart Caddy. It worked. We're all set up. And who we run into? Mr. Brian Curlett himself right there. Yeah. You ready to go fishing? Yes or no?
You're the one that's going fishing, now I'm just going to play with my toys.
All right. Let's get our live bait up. I really like this bucket I got from Home Depot. It's clear, so you can actually like see all the fish in it. So I can keep the lid on, and if any of them die, I can see that they died. But they're all alive. All right, so what we're going with here, got a double drop rig I made. I'm gonna put 2 live mullet on here. I'm using a Sputnik weight, a 5 ounce, because this current out here is just ripping. We're catching the last probably 30 minutes to an hour to 30 minutes of this outgoing tide that's coming through underneath this bridge here. And it's ripping so hard. We got these live mullet. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put one of these guys on here. Right through there. Get another one. Just gonna go right through there. And we are gonna send it out. Let's send it out. Let's see what happens. Right in there. Just keep them right in there posted. There we go. We finally got one on. There we go. There we go. Now we finally got a fish on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. He's pulling drag. It's probably a shark. It's probably a shark. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, maybe it's a blue. Oh, it doubled up on blues. All right. There we go. We doubled up on bluefish. Well, all right. Those are some big blues, baby. Woo! Those are some big blues. Set this thing down. The hooks. Watch out, buddy. They got teeth. These guys are the piranha of the ocean. These are bluefish. Decent size, too. Decent sized bluefish right there. Look at that.
We got 2 in here.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and get them back. There's one. Get this one back too. There we go. There's 2. Nice sized bluefish. There we go. All right, get them back. See you guys. Yeah, I'm not keeping fish today, so if I was, I would definitely keep them. Bluefish are good. Some people don't like to eat them, but if prepared properly, if you bleed them right away, super good. I mean, fresh fish is fresh fish. As long as you prepare it correctly, it's gonna be good. But the bite has definitely turned on. I don't know how much longer I could stay out here because we do have a storm rolling in. I think it's behind me. Somewhere behind me on that side of the bridge. All the way back there. Anyway, I have a 6-year-old boy out here, Dean. I got to get him out of here. So, Dean, you find yourself a little swimming pool? Is that a swimming pool?
This is a vet and I'm an imposter.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna kill you.
Uh-oh.
You crewmates. I'm an imposter. I can kill you. This is not a game.
We got one. We got to get him out from underneath this structure here. Yeah, we'll pull him out. It's not that big. Let's see what we got. He's pulling drag, but he's just a fighter. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on. Whoa, we got a redfish. All right. That's a slot red. Yeah. Come up here. All right. In the corner of the mouth. All right, there we go, baby. There we go, that's a nice red. That's sitting slot. This is a keeper fish. This is a keeper fish, but we're gonna get it back because we're not keeping redfish. Got one spot. Nice. Oh, so fast. Oh, see you later. There it goes. You're scaring him. He's fast, isn't he? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. It's a race. We're racing. Don't get him. Don't get him, Sam. Look, he's about to bite me. He's about to pinch me. Woo! All right, let him go. Let him go. Just let him go. Bye-bye. Say bye, Mr. Crab. Bye, Mr. Crab. Oh, we're on. We're on with something. Uh-oh. It's jumping. Maybe it's a trout. See if we can keep it. Oh, I lost it at the beach. It was definitely a trout. Dang. Oh man, that was awesome. Well, our last fish was a trout. I saw it. It hit the surf. Actually, it kind of looked like a Spanish. Now that I think about it, after I watch the footage, I'll see better. But it was either a trout or a Spanish mackerel. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think it was a Spanish. The way its belly came up all white like that. I'm not sure. We'll see. It's a very shiny fish. This current is ripping. Look how fast Dean is moving. Swim, kick. Save yourself. Save yourself. Ah! Here, pull my finger. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. If you liked what you saw, like and subscribe. Anyway, it was pretty cool to see Brian's shop there. We did catch a redfish, got some bluefish. That's what it's like fishing Matanzas this time of year. It is September. I got little Dino back there. Say bye, Dean. Tell him to keep it reeling.
Keep reeling.
See you later, guys. Thank you so much.